Welcome, viewers. Today, we're delving into the world of small-scale industries, the unsung heroes of our economy. These enterprises, driven by passion and innovation, play a crucial role in shaping our financial landscape. Introduction. Small-scale industries, SSIs, form the backbone of developing nations like India. They utilize small machines and manpower to manufacture goods and provide services, adhering to government guidelines. Often labor-intensive, SSIs contribute significantly to per capita income and resource utilization, driving the economy forward. Role of Indian economy, SSIs are not just businesses. They're a source of employment, accounting for nearly 40% of services in India. They embody the Make in India initiative, manufacturing products locally and contributing to export. These industries, in fact, fuel India's export sector, with around half of the country's exported goods originating from SSIs. Impact of COVID-19 on MSME. The COVID-19 pandemic has dealt a severe blow to micro, small, and medium enterprises, MSMEs, disrupting economic activities and threatening their survival. With lockdowns and decreased demand, these enterprises, often dependent on day-to-day business, face an uphill battle. A survey revealed that 71% of businesses couldn't pay salaries in March, and 43% might shut down if the crisis persists. Survival of MSME sector through COVID-19. MSMEs, the backbone of the Indian economy, are grappling with challenges like credit deficits, working capital shortages, and decreased demand. Despite government countermeasures, they face uncertainties, with predictions of job losses and layoffs in various sectors. Recent developments. Recent data shows an 18.49% increase in registered MSMEs in FY20. However, the growth rate has slowed, reflecting the impact of external factors like the pandemic. The MSME sector, dominated by micro-enterprises, is vital to India's GDP. Recent initiatives by the government. The government has taken significant steps to support MSMEs, including increased allocations, a doubled corpus for microfinance development, and interest subvention for exports. These initiatives aim to enhance the competitiveness of the sector. Benefits of getting MSME registered in India. MSME registration in India comes with numerous benefits, including collateral-free loans, subsidies on patent registration, overdraft facilities, and concessions on electricity bills.